ano sa banana.
Okay, I use the side, and then I use the side.
Oh, you here? No, somebody has to be in the front. No, you go. No.
I'll be in the front.
Okay.
Right in the middle.
Right here.
Hindi ka mo ta magpatunga ta ah.
Whoa. Hey, watch your jump, ready? Watch your jump.
Feet in. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Smile. One,
Smile.
Dire lang ta ah, nabaw lang ka mo.
Okay, steer to
Oh, nagtini ka naman oh.
follow instruction from your mom, okay?
Left, right.
Left, right.
go right. Ah.
We're trying to go that way.
Okay, now you can alternate. Right.
Aya, that's right. Synchronized. Not so far ah.
There's a lot.
Use this side of the car.
Hold on, we're too shallow.
What are you doing?
It's your boat, guys! This guy's gonna work!
Use this like how they do the bamboo. Use it. Push against the sand towards the deep.
Okay. Left, right first, right.
Use this side first.
Right first.
Left, you paddle on the
There you go.
Paddle on the right.
Uh-huh.
I don't like this. Let's turn around.
And turn around. Turn on your left. Not so far.
Hold on.
On your left. Paddle on the right. Paddle on the right. Right, Noah. There. Where are you going? That's so far already. Come back. Be careful, may angkor na da.
Trying to go under the rope.
Under the rope.
Right.
Chindaya. Buhay pa sila? Video. Dive. Boom. Back dive. Back dive. Back dive. Yeah. What you did in Siargao?
Sa hallway.
Come on.
Noah.
You don't.
No diving.
Noah, where's your iPad?
No diving.
Where is your iPad?
Oh,
Where did you...
over there.
Is that your room?
No, not a room. It's over there.
But why would you just leave it out in the public space?
Probably someone will pick it up. What
It's
will happen
not...
now?
Huh?
You don't have an iPad.
It's your... Noah, it's your iPad.
It's
That's your responsibility. I told you that.
You lose it, no more iPad.
Your things, you're responsible for them. We're not responsible for them.
Go, hurry up. I remember where I left.
Kasi wala na to.
Hurry up! Gani. Ay, pinasalang mo. Ang apo. Ang apo. Paminsarya siguro. Ato ning swimming pool mo.
Siguro bilog na balay ako.